Here are some of the different ones we got out there. My eyes, Gator, and this notice is to inform you. Gator News, that's the addresses, and Gator Laughs, Comedy Hour. Check these out when you can. And then we got Independence Day, and then Decatur Towers. That Chautauqua Key property is the property I'm asking for. I want that property. That's the one I remember them in. Americans Only Club, that's a good one. Okay, and y'all want to check that one out too. And then it goes, that's when I hear Gator Cries, and then Gator Cries, and Gator Cries a lot. And then this is my take on the First Circuit Court. And then we'll just widen that up right there. And just bear with me here, people.
My take of First Circuit Court. The Cable Company, a YouTube channel. Mitchell Urano Sr. 301 Harbert Valley, RD. Toccoa, Georgia. 30,577. 706-599-1596. E-mail-gatorarno@gmail.com. Senior. Paternal male - head of bloodline. Self-representative. In the Circuit Court of the First Circuit. State of Hawaii. The estate. P-No. 17-1-58. Of. Formal. Philip Finn, also known as. Hearing date, Philip the 50th Finn, also known as. Philip Leo Finn. Time, 9 Deceased. Judge, R. Mark Browning, Chief Judge. Introduction. My name is Mitchell Urano Sr. Senior. Paternal male - head of bloodline by law. Am the oldest paternal heir and by and through the descendant paternal. Grandfather Max Finn and descendant paternal grandmother Fanny Finn both. Deceased. Their blood runs in me right now and my sister too. On or about June 25, 2018, I was contacted by a company who said I was rich, but there's a will, estate services, minus attorney Eric S.T. Young. A law corporation was the next person I talked with. I believe him to be a straight up guy. I barely remember my Ken, my blood, who unknowing did remarkably well where I have fell twice now with my park. A little dream compared to my blood, but a dream nonetheless. He said he would send me a package. This package was dated to go to court 10-10-2018. I was overwhelmed at the magnitude of this reality. I had a bad time and my Lisa died, and she knew she was going to die. Her organs were taken against her wishes. This is truly unforgivable. I have spent nearly every minute I could spare studying the uniform probate code - Hawaii law states that I, being from paternal bloodline and I am the oldest male on this side, makes me head of said bloodline. On January 23, 2018, letters of administration were issued to petitioner Stephen Harris as interim personnel representative. Contested matter involving validity of will. On February 27, 2017, Sherry Asukal, my aunt, and Lori F. Sukal, my cousin, as paternal heirs through Max and Fanny Finn deceased, filed petition for adjudication of intestacy, appointment of personnel representative, and termination of appointment of Teresa M. O'Ridington as special administrator. On April 10, 2017, Jessica Lynn Harris, Ms. Harris, filed petition for probate of W. Bill and appointment of personnel representative. Ms. Harris sought the admission to probate of an instrument titled Last Will and Testament of Philip Finn, dated November 22, 2014. The will. The determination of the will. The contested matter was assigned to the civil trials calendar pursuant to that order granting Sherry Asukal and Lori F. Sukal petition for reconsideration of the Order 1 denying petition, number 1-. Petitioner Teresa M. O'Ridington S. petition for adjudication of intestacy and appointment of personnel representative, filed January 26, 2017, to denying. Petition number 2- petition for adjudication of intestacy and appointment of personnel representative and termination of Teresa M. O'Ridington as Special Administrator, filed February 27, 2017, 3 granting petition number 3-. Petitioner Jessica Lynn Harris petition for probate of will and appointment of personnel representative and termination of Teresa M. O'Ridington as Special Administrator, filed April 11, 2017, filed on July 24, 2017, filed herein on November 3, 2017. The November 3, 2017 order. On July 19, 2018, a motion to enforce settlement, term sheet executed May 25, 21. 8. Following mediation, the motion was filed herein. The terms of the settlement agreement resolve the issue of the submission of the will, among other things. Further proceedings are contemplated herein. A petition for approval of the confidential settlement, indemnification and mutual release agreement 1. Petition for dismissal of Jessica Lynn Harris petition for probate of will and appointment of personnel representative and termination of Teresa M. O'Ridington as Special Administrator, filed on April 10, 2017, and petition to instruct interim personnel representative to directly pay the attorney fees and costs owed to Mark Kawada, as provided for in settlement term sheet. Dated May 25, 2018, was filed on March 11, 2019, and is set for hearing before this court on June 21, 2019 at 10 a.m. A petition for adjudication of intestacy and determination of heirs will also be filed herein. Heirs on the maternal side of the descendant's family have retained local counsel, the Kate Scott law firm, who filed notice of appearance of counsel and demand for notice herein on August 6, 2018. Lori F. Sukal, who has been appointed personnel representative of the estate of Sherry Sukal, deceased, file number 50-2018, CP-5700 for XXXXSB in the Circuit Court for Palm Beach County, Florida, and Lori F. Sukal, individually, are represented by McCauston Law Firm. Additional heirs through Max and Fanny Finn, deceased. Name Ly Mitchell Urnov Sr. and Michelle Lynn Frady are self-representative. Petitioner Mitchell Urnov Sr. Senior paternal male head of bloodline, sent 1. Pleading to the court, with all steps entitled, for filing with the Honorable R. Mark Browning, judge of said court approval, and with the help of the clerk of the above entitled court under bar, file and drop the letters in the mail, to whom it may concern. I object to the confidential settlement, indemnification and mutual release agreement filed on court comes to on the 15/2019. The first order is to object, and second, Mitchell Urnov Sr. Senior paternal male minus head of bloodline, petition the court to probate the will and hire special list of document and signature expert to once and for all tell us if the piece of paper Jessica Lynn Harris turned in as real or a fake.
Okay, people, there you go. That's what's going on with me. We got to stop them from just forgetting about us out here. Me and my sister don't get nothing. So I'm broke now, and I've sent them again. They told me not to ex parte the court no more, and so I petitioned it. So I sent it all there. Let them stamp it, drop it in the mail. They all got stamps on the letters. I already filled the letters out. Put them in. It cost me $140. I got the receipts. I'll show you. Over $140. That's not including the ink and the paper and all that. But I don't want to bore you with all the details. But anyway, y'all come on back and see me, and don't forget about Lisa and Lisa's grandbaby law. That's the way to go, okay? We got to stop them from using that brain dead as a tool to take your organs. It's not right. And I cry unconditionally. I can't stop crying. That's all, you know. Just help me get this done. Let's do it so nobody else has to suffer like she did. What a terrible way to go. I can't. It's hard. I just can't stand it, man. Okay, bye-bye, y'all. Come back.